Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Look behind me what Callie's doing. She's digging. She wants to get back into the hutch. There's an open door right there. Well anyways, today we're gonna make 2 nesting boxes for our girls. If you recall, my original plan was to put nesting boxes right there where Callie is digging so diligently. I was going to drill holes right here in this side of the hutch and then put these Rubbermaid bins that I have there. But plans have changed. I've got a better idea. What I think I like better is taking these boards right here out completely and taking all the bedding out of here. Just having this as a place where they can, keep their food and water. And then I'll put the bucket nesting boxes right here. With some corrugated tubing so they can climb in, and they'll still be enclosed in their little yard. You can see the fence runs right here. So let's get started. It's funny, I have to show you. You can see where Calico dug into the hutch, and there's the wire that was down. All that she was digging is on the outside of the hutch under here. And she dug herself a hole back into the hutch, which was open at the time. Similar to the work that she is doing here. Calico, do you want to explain yourself? Yeah, that's your handiwork. What do you think? Are you proud of yourself? Well, don't take it as a new project. I gotta fill it in. Calico, I said no. I have a scoop of dirt that has to go in there. Hey, my plan is going to work. The only problem I'm having is, you can see I can't close this little door because I need to level out the ground right there. But the previous owners had bricks around this tree, so there's a brick under there I need to dig up. But other than that, the bunnies have been running around, and we're gonna get this in here. Aha! It's working! The door now closes. Now to cut holes. Excuse me, kitty. This is progress. She's digging to nowhere still. Just under the pile of dirty bedding. Oh, you better be careful, kitty. Calico, you're not helping. Oh, I see you duck. I guess I should move that extension cord. What the heck? You're throwing dirt all over everybody. And you're grounding out the fence. Callie! I have both the holes made. I was originally going to put a piece of this corrugated plastic drain stuff in the hole, but then I thought about it and I don't think I need it. Now, since the idea is that these little nesting boxes will stay cool in the summer, I'm going to let you know that I will have a insulated piece of something wood there that has insulation, like something that has multiple layers, and then I'm going to cover this with dirt and mound it up around. So let me get to that. So I put the pavers on the dirt because, of course, Callie thinks she's the CDO, the Chief Digging Officer. Obviously, there's hay in the boxes now. That should keep them busy tonight. I'm gonna put the lid on the box, both of the boxes. We're gonna do bunny breakfast, and then tomorrow morning they'll see if this system kept the bunnies in. Well, this is the true test. Will the girls be in the hutch tomorrow morning? We'll find out. Well, thanks for joining us at Locust Street Cottage. If you like what you saw, you can subscribe right there. You can watch more funny videos right there. Bye.